If you want to set up an external analog signal to control the voltage and current levels, then this is achieved via the menu button. Press the menu button, select Set with the voltage encoder, and you can select three things: voltage, current, and the signal range to be used. As an example, if we choose voltage, we can decide whether it will be controlled via the front panel, an external control signal as a voltage, or an external resistance. You can do the same for current. The range can be set to 0 to 5 volts or 0 to 5 kiloohms, or 0 to 10 volts or 0 to 10 kiloohms for full scale. To select an option within the menu, always press the encoder that shows the value that you require.